Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very simple and beautiful pattern for you. For this pattern I have used designer cast on. Click on I button to learn this border. This pattern is very simple and suits in all projects like ladies cardigan, gents sweaters, shawls, caps, scarf, jackets, baby blankets. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 6 stitches and plus 3 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the edge, and this pattern is of only 2 rows. Let us continue our project now. For demonstration, I have taken 17 stitches, multiple of 6 stitches, 2 times 12 stitches plus 3, 15 and plus 2 stitches for the edge. Let us start working on our pattern. This is our first row, slip edge stitch and then knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end of the row. Then purl last edge stitch. This is our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip edge stitch. Now first repeat pattern. Knit 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. After that purl 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat pattern. Knit 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now purl next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. This is our second repeat pattern. Now last 3 stitches, knit 3 stitches and purl last edge stitch. This is our second row. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, bye, see you, meet you soon in my next video.